How much does Shopify POS cost? If you're a store owner, chances are you're always on the lookout for ways to save money. After all, every penny that you can keep in your pocket is one more penny that you can reinvest in your business. When it comes to point-of-sale systems, there are a lot of options out there. But which one is the best for your business? In this video, we're going to take a closer look at getting you a Shopify POS price quote. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that enables businesses of all sizes to create an online store. Shopify also offers a point-of-sale system that helps businesses run their operations more smoothly. In this section, we'll discuss the features of Shopify POS and how much it costs. Click on the link below in the description to get sent a personal price quote. Shopify offers two different plans for its point-of-sale system: Shopify POS Lite and the Pro version. The Lite plan is actually included with all Shopify accounts and includes an intuitive and fast checkout, fully integrated payments, 24/7 support, and more. The Pro plan does have an additional monthly fee and includes all of the features of the Lite plan, plus unlimited registers, advanced inventory, advanced reporting, and more. So, how much does Shopify point of sale cost? It depends on which plan you choose and how many registers you need. However, the average monthly cost is quite nominal in light of the great benefits you receive. Now that you know more about Shopify POS and have the ability to get a price quote, you will be able to decide if it's the right fit for your business. Keep in mind that the price may vary depending on which features you need and how many registers you require. Weigh your options carefully to decide if Shopify Point of Sale is worth the investment. Click the link below to speak with one of our experts about which plan suits your situation best.